Athanasian Creed, Episode 24. Et qui bona agerunt, ibunt in vitam aeternam, qui vero mala in ignem aeternam. The Creed continues, and those who have done good things, qui is masculine plural nominative, the subject of agerunt, which is a third plural perfect indicative active, from the third conjugation verb ago, agera, the third principal part of which is agi, like so. And those who have done good things, bona, which is neuter, plural, and accusative, it is a substantive adjective. They will go, ibunt, this is the future of eo ire, the irregular fourth conjugation verb. They will go to eternal life, in vitam aeternam, accusative, showing place toward which, with the preposition in. But, vero, this is the adversative adverb. But those who have done, qui vero mala, those who have done bad things, neuter, plural, accusative, a substantive adjective, that is an adjective used as a noun, just like bona. Those who have done bad things, ibunt is understood. They will go in ignem aeternam, to everlasting fire. Ignem is masculine, singular, and accusative. This noun, ignis, third declension, is sometimes feminine, sometimes masculine, and here it is masculine, as we know, because of the masculine adjective aeternam. One can see there is a great deal of parallelism between these two clauses. Qui bona, qui mala, in vitam aeternam, in ignem aeternam. The verb ibunt is gapped, as well as agerunt, from the second colon.